Hi, I'm Lavanya and I work with the Telecom Company. We have more than 80,000 employees and we have more than 2 million square footage of usage. We started during COVID time, I would say, return to work. We tried the employee, but going forward, we started using space management and move management. It was good, and then I met with a lot of great people here like Lisa and Daniel, and they talked to me about the TAM services you guys provide. So we have Scott Richardson, who's an amazing TAM for us. So he's been there with us every week trying to help us implement the scenario planning, and we've been having a very great experience with him. And now we've renewed our contract again with Scott and doing great. I like that it's going to become one of our systems of record for space management, which we didn't have earlier. So right now I'm trying to centralize all the systems in one system, like asset management, move module, maintenance and facilities. And now with Metasys and OpenBlue concept, I'm really looking forward for a great AI related future, because that's where we're all heading into. And my organization is a lot about data, so insights were great, and I can see the progress from last year to this year, which is they started implementing that. So I'm really looking forward to using that. And to be very honest, I've got great people like Lisa and Daniel and David Carnegie, because their customer service is amazing. They just get back to me immediately, because I'm a big believer of communication and reciprocation, and they are exactly what I want. And also I don't want to forget to mention the technical people at the back end. We've had great relationship with them, like Brian, Andrew Penna, because they are super tier 2 people who really help us in everything every day. So pretty happy with that. So in the past, we've used InfoCenter, we've used Manhattan, and now FM Systems, and I really like it's easy to use. And the good thing, they accept the feedback, and if we see there's an issue, they work on it. So that's something not everybody does, and I'm really happy. And I have been talking to other organizations, asking them to use it, because I really like it, and I'm a true believer of, I would tell something only if I like it. And I feel overall FM system, as it says, facility management system, is a one-stop shop for having all facility related system in one platform, which is really easy to maneuver, and they really like the use and feel of it, and constantly we are trying to make it better for all of us and trying to be up to date with what's there, like the AI or the machine learning. So I really love it, and I'm really looking forward to working on the next 2 modules, which I'm going to take back to my org.